Good morning, everyone. This is Zach with Zach's Weather Shack, and it appears that this winter is officially all in against the El Nino. Everything is setting up perfectly for a big snowstorm, possibly the biggest since 2009 and 2010 Snowmageddon. It may be the only snowstorm this year, but right now it looks to be a monster. Now, recently we haven't had any luck with snowstorms because low pressure systems have been either too far east, sliding off the coast this way, or coming to the north, and the rain snow line, that's where the rain snow line is, and we're all the way down here in the rain. So we're not working out with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cold air coming over the next 5 days. This is very important because typically with large snowstorms, you need to have a setup where cold air is over the region for at least 4 to 5 days to cool the surface temperatures and cool the air down so that there's no issue with sticking and there's no issue with the cold air sticking around. So as you can see, from 17th of January to the 22nd, there's a large area of cold weather right over the region, and this will definitely set up for the storm better than if we had warm air like we previously had. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next slide. This is the European MSLP anomaly. As you can see, this hasn't been favoring us because this is all low pressure up here. In order to get a major snowstorm, you need high pressure up here to funnel in cold air. Now, this is going to change come this Thursday and Friday, whereas we have the low pressure right here and a nice high pressure source to funnel in cold air. So let's go ahead and take a look at the snowstorm. Here's a GFS model showing it. This would be 6 p.m. on Friday. As you can see, we have a double barrel low. Now the important part is these aren't going to merge. If they were to merge, then the storm would ride up north and we would get all rain. But fortunately, since we have this high pressure source, it's going to what's called block the storm south, forcing us to get snow more so than rain. And if we take a look at the next slide, as you can see, it's heavy snow all the way from Friday about midday until Saturday afternoon. As far as temperatures go, we have a slight problem because the bay temperatures are very warm right now, and if you live near the bay, it could be a 4 to 5 inch difference than if you live 60 miles from the bay. But the temperatures right now appear to be below 32, so there shouldn't be any problem unless you're very, very close to the bay with snow sticking to the ground. Here's a model of the soil temperatures around 31 degrees for central Maryland. And if we're looking at snowfall totals, this isn't set in stone, this is just a model. But if we look at them, we're looking at 14 inches or 15 inches from the storm currently forecasted. Like I said, it's not necessarily a forecast, just a model projection, but this is important because we're starting to get a little more consistency from all the models as to what this storm has to offer and the potential for it. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the European, and the European has in store a little bit more of a southern track. The low of the GFS is more placed over Delaware. A southern track would favor us more because it would actually stall out the storm a bit and it would provide more moisture. And that's reflected in the snowfall totals if we take a look at them from the European. It's showing, around a 19 or 20 inch storm. Now this isn't a forecast either, it's a model projection, but it just shows the potential for the storm is very high, and like I said, possibly the largest snowstorm since Snowmageddon of 2009 and 2010. I'll go ahead and show you an animation from the GFS showing what the storm plans to do and how it forms. As you can see, it starts out as a piece of energy right here. There's also a piece of energy that it tries to merge with, but it can't because of that blocking. So the storm gets blocked down to the south. As you can see, it tries to go up north, comes back south, and rides up the coast. So we'll see what happens. I'll have updates for you every day. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.